Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore a very hot topic, that how you can watch Netflix with your long distance friends. We will share 3 quick and easy methods to do so. So let's jump in. So the very first question is it really possible to watch Netflix with your long distance friends? As you know that you face difficulties while sharing your screen with Netflix if you are trying to watch it with your long distance friends. But let me tell you that this is absolutely easily possible to enjoy Netflix with your long distance friends. Next are the 3 easy and quick methods in which I'll show you that how you can do so. The very first method is using the Teleparty extension. It is available in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge as well. You have to simply go to Google and type Teleparty, and you can simply install the Teleparty extension from here. And after that, whenever you watch a Netflix show on your desktop, it will give you an option to start a Teleparty. You can simply share the link of your Teleparty session and enjoy Netflix with your long distance friends. The method number 2 is using the Discord streaming. You have to tackle a very simple setting by going into this settings gear, and here you find an option voice and video. And as soon as you scroll down, you have to simply turn this hardware acceleration option off, and you will be able to stream Netflix using the Discord streaming, watch it with your long distance friends. The method number 3, which I personally recommend, is using the StreamFox for video software, which supports all the popular streaming platforms like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube, Hulu, or HBO Max. It supports smart download of HD videos in different formats like MP4, MKV, or MOV. With the download success rate of insane 99%, you can enjoy the feature of batch downloading, which allows you to convert all the videos at once with 10x download speed. You can freely select soft, hard-coded, or external subtitles mods. Now how you use it, you can simply download it from the website and install using the on-screen instructions. And after installing it, you can directly go to the website. You can simply choose any movie or season or TV show that you want to save. For example, you want to save this season or TV show right here. You can drag and drop this TV show here in this button, or you can simply tap on this arrow and then click on this plus button right here. Now it will give you the option to batch download all the episodes of this TV show. You have to simply click on this select all button and click on add to queue. Regarding the video and subtitle settings, if you go into this video quality, here you can select the quality in which you want to download your TV show, and from here you can control your subtitle settings which you want to be downloaded with your conversion. And just click the confirm button. So just check this mark to select all the episodes. For batch downloading, select the destination from this browse button, and after selecting the destination, simply click on this convert all the items to start saving your TV show. So that's how you watch Netflix with your long distance friends. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.